purpose of this activity is to explore the relationship between our horizontal velocity and our vertical velocity. In other words, we want to know is if I increase my horizontal velocity, is that going to change how long it takes the ball to hit the ground? And the way we'll do that is we'll release one of two ways. We have three different settings on our muzzle velocity. Half of you will be using a projectile launchers, and you can use setting 1, 2, and 3. And you'll release the projectile and you'll measure the time it takes to hit the ground from setting 1, setting 2, setting 3. And we can compare that to the time, the calculated time it should take to hit the ground if I drop it straight down. Well, for this setting, instead of having 3 clicks on our projectile launcher, we'll go from 30, 60, and 90. So we take the ball, we put it at one of our settings, we let the ball bearing go, or in the case of the muzzle launcher, you just pull the trigger, and you measure the time from when it either leaves the muzzle or leaves the table till it hits the ground. And we'll have cardboard on the floor. You can't see it in the video, but there'll be cardboard on the floor so we don't chip the floor. Be as accurate as we can with our video physics. You let it go, and you measure the time. The time will be short, so it'll be tough to measure. But do the best we can. Now, by changing the mud, we'll probably more than double the launch velocity, so we should be able to, if there's a difference, we should be able to measure it even if our times are off a little bit. And that's what this activity consists of.